Happy New Year, folks! Fiza has made this delicious shepherd pie potato jacket for New Year Eve's dinner. Let's see how she did it.
Hi, for a filling we need minced meat. I'm using chicken, but you can use beef as well. I'm using vegetables, carrot and peas and corns. You can use any other vegetables if you like. Cheese, chili, salt, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, onion and black pepper. For potato jacket, I need big potato like this. It's boiled, milk, 1 tablespoon butter, salt and pepper to taste. First, I will cut the potato like this. Then, I will scoop out the potato. Scoop the potato like this. The jacket is ready, and these are the potatoes. I will boil them more for at least 10 more minutes to make the mashed potatoes. Now the potatoes are boiling. In the meantime, we will make the filling. Add some oil. Now I will add meat, minced meat, I will add garlic powder, half a teaspoon, salt, it's 1 teaspoon, but you can adjust according to your taste. And red chili, half a teaspoon, paprika, half a teaspoon, black pepper, half a teaspoon, parsley, half a teaspoon. After stir frying the meat on high heat for at least 4 to 5 minutes, add the vegetables. After 1 minute, set the heat to low and cover it for next 5 to 6 minutes for the vegetables to. Now you can see the filling is ready. I will turn off the heat now. Now you can see the potatoes are all cooked. I will mash them now. Mash the potatoes like this. When you see the potatoes are mashed, I will add some milk. It's half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and some seasoning, salt and pepper to your taste. Now after mixing things, I will cook it for next couple of minutes. You can see the mashed potatoes are ready. I will take them out and let it cool down. Fill the potato with this filling like this. Now I will add this sharp cheddar cheese into potatoes like this. After mixing the potato into the bag like this. I will cut it like this. Now I will cover the potato like this. Now I will bake it for 15 minutes in the oven. The oven is preheated. The pie is ready.
Thank you, Fiza. Let's enjoy our New Year Eve dinner.